looking at the Aputure 672. This is a nice light for a number of things. Model HR-672s. This is the spotlight version. This has been working fine on battery power, but trying to use it now on AC, finding that the adapter, so everything works fine on battery, but if I try to use the power adapter, which basically I've never used until now, batteries have been working well. If you can see, the adapter is on. There's green light here, but unfortunately when I plug it in, currently that's with batteries, but if I remove this, zero power. So I'm not sure. The adapter appears to have power, but the light is not lighting up on AC power. I'm not sure what the issue is. Have not tested it before on that, because normally on batteries, everything's good on batteries. I'm going to try switching some of these settings. See if it makes any difference. And see if the remote does anything. Channel 1, Group B. Channel 1, Group A. So it's working fine with the remote. So there's Group A. Channel 1, Group A, working fine with the remote. Again, on battery, on power. Don't have any response. Unfortunately, it did this pretty much right out of the box. Tested a couple of times just to be sure I'm plugging it in properly. If anything is loose here. Yeah, so I'm not sure what's going on. I'll see if we can contact Aputure, and hopefully they can take care of this. I'm not sure if it's the adapter or the light. Again, the adapter has a green light here, but I don't have a second one to test it with. Right, stop there. See you next time.